Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a BMW X3 in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the button on the side of the gear selector. Then, move the selector to the N position. This action will engage neutral, allowing the wheels to spin freely. If your BMW X3 has no power, you will need to manually override the shift lock. Look for a small cover near the gear selector, often marked with A, P, or a gear icon. Remove this cover, then use a small screwdriver or similar tool to press the release lever inside. While holding the lever, move the gear selector into the neutral position. Engaging neutral is primarily useful for moving your vehicle short distances, such as when pushing it into a garage or onto a flatbed tow truck. Remember to always engage the parking brake immediately after placing the car in neutral and before releasing the foot brake, especially on any incline. Never use neutral while driving at higher speeds, as this can be dangerous and damage the transmission. Always remember that when your BMW X3 is in neutral, it can roll freely, so the parking brake is essential for safety. For the most accurate and detailed instructions specific to your vehicle, always consult your owner's manual. Also, if you are looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.